Hey everybody, it's Nylon. Check out what I have here. I have some cable tie, little zip tie connector things, and I'll show you what they are here. So if you need to quickly snap together a couple of things, you can use something like this. So I'll show you what you get. You get a whole ton of these little T connectors, and you see it's like a zip tie, and then you get a bunch of the little button ends as well. So I don't know how many, there's probably 100 of them in there, so 100 pieces it says on there. Okay, and so the way it works is if you have two things you want to connect, don't know if I have anything here, but whatever it is, if you want to close it, you can just push it through. If you're trying to do, even quick hemming or something, you can do that. So you'll push this into that end there, and then it creates a tie on it. So if you're connecting things to whatever, anything, you can just kind of put it in there and make a quick button. If you're missing a button on your shirt or something, you can actually quickly push this through, and then they're kind of hard to do a little bit at first, but then you see you can kind of cinch it up and make a nice tight connection. Very cool, super secure. I don't think I could pull these apart, so it's actually extremely strong. So these are great. So if you need to have some good cable ties to connect some stuff up, this is a nice little set to have. I like the way it comes in a little box too, so it makes it super cool. The only way you're getting this off is cutting it off. I think you might be able to push the button from behind or stick something flat in there, but you get the idea. Super awesome. Thumbs up.